Welcome back to Azzadous Studios. It's Sound Design Sunday, and today we're going to take a look at a bass preset that I've created in Serum. Okay, so we're going to start with oscillator A. I've chosen ethos, which is in digital, and ethos. We've left it on 0 octave. The unison we've got on 2, and the detune is on 0.05. Phase is all the way down, the random is all the way down. We've got the wavetable position on 48. We're using FM from B, which we'll set up in a second. And the level is on 61%. Okay, so next up is envelope 1. We've got quite a sharp point here, which is giving us quite a springy sound. So we've got the attack on 0.5 milliseconds, the hold is on 0, the decay is on 1 second, the sustain is all the way down, and the release we've got on 262, which is giving us quite a tail. Moving on to oscillator B, we've got misfits, which is in digital and misfits. We've taken it down 1 octave. We've left the detune and the unison. The phase is on 137 degrees and the random is all the way down. The wavetable position is 153 and we're using pulse width modulation to warp B. And we're also modulating the warp with envelope 1. So drag envelope 1 over to the PWM and you've got PWM set on 88%. And warping it by 14. We've got the level of oscillator B all the way down because we don't want to hear it, we just want this to warp oscillator A with FM from B. So the FM from B you've got on 76%. Next up we're going to adjust this filter and switch it on. I've got it on MG low 12, which is just the standard. I've got oscillator A, B and the sub going through. We're going to switch the sub on in a second. The cutoff I've got on 39 Hz and we are again using envelope 1 to affect the cutoff by 55. I've got the res on 10. The drive is all the way down, the fat is all the way down, mix all the way up and the pan is on 50. This is giving us more of a pluck sound now. So let's switch the sub on. It's quite simple. All I've done is left direct out off, left it on the first sine wave, -1 octave, and the level is on 80%. It's just giving us a bit more weight. Okay, so next we're moving over to the FX panel. We've got distortion, and we've got the sine shaper. We've got the mix all the way up, and the drive is on 16%. It's just giving us a little bit more weight to the sound. So next we've got a compressor. The mix is all the way up, gain is all the way down, the release is on 90, attack is on 90, the ratio is on 4:1, and the threshold is on -15.5. We've also got a multiband on. The highs are on 124%, the mids are on 121, and the lows are on 143. This is bringing out quite a bit more of the sound. So now what we're going to do, we're going to roll off them high ends. So let's switch the EQ on and we've got a high cut. The frequency is on 456 Hz. The Q is on 40% and the gain is on 0. And as well as that, at the bottom we're just boosting a little bit of these lows with the low shelf. We've got the frequency on about 190, 186. The Q is on 53% and the gain is on 6.7, I think around 6.5, around there. That's fine. Thanks for watching. As usual, the resources are available on my Facebook page. Check the description below for the link. If you like this video, please like and share, and remember to subscribe and click the bell to keep up to date with future videos.